Hey people, so basically we have two sets of families here. It's like mummy, papa and 4 puppies. And here also it's a mummy, papa and 3 puppies, except that that's what it is, a male female rabbit, but the daddy puppy is this one, the daddy thing. But here we have 3 pups. And yeah, this is, it just feels good, yeah. And maybe these white ones belong to this white. I'm not sure, I can never be sure. Basically this gray one has been neutered, not this white one. So yeah, because I've never seen the white one do anything gadbad, yeah. Like, these are puppies. Of these 3 puppies, I don't know, one of them is very tiny. Don't think it will survive. One passed away yesterday. That's the thing about rabbits, yeah, we never know. But this is such a diligent mother, really. I'm so impressed with this mother. And they are actually having wheat flour, you know, like. So yeah, I'm just so happy. Now I have to get back to my cleaning. So yeah, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. And that is nursing there. So fascinating to watch it. I mean, like, yeah.